Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to notify team on Discord for Zoom meeting Registrant. So I'm running a gaming community and I'm teaching some gaming lessons via Zoom. So here what I want to do is that automatically whenever I'm going to receive a new registrant for my meeting on Zoom, I want to notify my team on Discord and I want to send a notification message automatically. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to simply build a connection between Zoom and Discord. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new registrant for my Zoom meeting, then automatically I'm going to send a notification message on my Discord channel. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can notify team on Discord for Zoom meeting registrant. So as the owner of a gaming community, I can set up Discord notification to alert my team whenever a new player registers for a Zoom based coaching session or community event. So whenever someone signs up for a session, the registration details including their username and the event they are attending can be automatically sent to our Discord server. So this will allow my team to quickly prepare, assign mentors and event hosts. Also, this will provide a personalized experience for participants, ensuring everything runs smoothly and everyone is on the same page. So here what I want to do is I want to simply connect Zoom with Discord, and I want to set up an automation in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new registrant for my meeting in Zoom, then automatically I want to send a notification message on my Discord channel to notify my team about the new registrant that we are going to receive for our event or the new meeting. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply connect Zoom with Discord without any coding and programming skills just by using Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection and I'm going to set up this automation and I'm going to send Discord notification for every new registrant that I'm going to receive through Zoom automatically. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to notify team on Discord for Zoom meeting registrant. Now what I need to do is I need to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application, and here I'm going to use Zoom as my trigger application. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Zoom here. Now I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and configure webhook is going to be my trigger event, and by using this trigger event, I'm going to get all the detail of my registrant for my Zoom meeting. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Zoom with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Zoom with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token and how I'm going to connect Zoom with Pabbly Connect? So for that, I need to follow all these instructions, and in Zoom, I need to build a new app. So for this, let me take you to my Zoom account. And here for building a new app or for developing a new app, I'm going to scroll down in Zoom left hand section. And here I have this option of admin. And in admin option, I have this particular tab of advanced. So I'm going to open this. And here I have this option of app marketplace. So I need to open this. And in App Marketplace, I need to build a new app. So I'm going to go to Develop, and here I need to click on Build App. Now first I need to select which kind of app we need to create. So we need to select General App here, and I'm going to click on Create. Now here I'm going to scroll down, and here what we need to do is we need to first give the zero auth information, and here we need the zero auth redirect URL. So how we are going to get this detail and how we are going to get this redirect URL? For this, we need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we need to use this particular hyperlink by clicking on this Learn More button, and it will take us to Pabbly forum. And in this, we can see we have all the step-by-step instruction of how we can connect Zoom with Pabbly Connect. Also in this, we have this particular redirect URL, and we need to use this redirect URL. So we need to copy this from here. We need to go back to our App Marketplace, and we need to paste that here in this particular tab. Now as I have added my redirect URL, the allow list has been already filled. Now I have filled my zero auth information, so I'm going to click on continue. And now we can see I have successfully generated this secret token. Now what I need to do is I need to copy this token. I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that token here in this tab. Now that I have added my secret token, I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully connected Zoom with Pabbly Connect. But now here what I need to do is I need to get all the detail of my registrant that I'm going to receive for my Zoom meetings. And for getting my Zoom meeting registrant detail, what I need to do is I need to use this particular webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Zoom and Pabbly Connect, and it is going to send the detail of all the meeting registrants to Pabbly Connect. So first I need to copy this webhook URL. I'm going to take you back to my Zoom App Marketplace, and here I need to scroll down, and first I need to add my general features. So here I need to first enable this option of event subscription. And now in this, what I need to do is I need to add a new event subscription. So I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to scroll down, and here I need to first choose a method, and here we need to use webhook. So my method is already selected. Now I have to give the subscription name. So I'm going to name it as Pabbly Connect. Now I have to add my event. So here I have to click on this add events button. And here I want to get the detail of all my meeting registrants. So I'm going to use this particular event type of meeting. But if you are running any webinar, you can also select webinar here too. Now I have to select my event type. So I'm going to scroll down, and meeting registration has been created is going to be my event type. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on done. Now that I have added my event type, now I have to give my event notification endpoint URL. So here in this tab, I have to add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to simply click on save. And here I have successfully added my event subscription. Now I'm going to click on continue. Again, I'm going to do that. And here we can see I have this option of add scopes. So here we can see as we have added a new event, the scope has been already created, which is for meeting registrants. Now that we can see my scope is already added. Now what I need to do is I need to click on continue. I'm going to scroll down, and I need to add this app in my Zoom Marketplace. So for that, I need to click on this add app now button. And here I need to first give access to my app. So I'm going to allow my permissions. And here I have given the permissions. Now I'm going to go back to App Marketplace. And here I have added my app, or I have installed my app in my Zoom account. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see it is waiting for a response. Now for getting this response, what I need to do is I need to create a new registrant for my meeting in Zoom. And as I will create a new registrant, or I'm going to get a new registrant for my Zoom meeting, then automatically I'm going to get the response of that registrant here in Pabbly Connect. So for creating a new registrant, I'm going to take you to my Zoom account, and here these are all my meetings. So here I'm going to create the registration for this particular meeting of online training and learning. So I'm going to open this, and here in my meeting I have this particular registration link. So by using this registration link, I'm going to create a new registrant, and I'm going to sign up a new user for my meeting. So I'm going to open this registration link, and here this is my registration link, and in this is my registration form which I have already filled. So here I have the first name, that is demo, I have the last name, that is user, I have the email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random phone number of my user. So here we can see that I have filled all the detail in my form, and now by using all these details, I'm going to create a new sign up, and I'm going to create a new registration for my Zoom meeting. Now I'm going to click on register. And here we can see I've successfully registered and I've created a new registration for my Zoom meeting. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new registration that I've just created for my Zoom meeting. And in this, I have my meeting title, that is Online Training and Learning. Also here I have all the detail of my registrant, like I have the first name, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. I have the email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number of my registrant. Now that we can see I have received all these details of my registrant for my Zoom meeting. And as I have received all these details of my registrant, now what I want to do is I want to automatically use all these details and I want to instantly notify my team on Discord that we have received a new registrant for our meeting. So here for sending the notification message on Discord, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Discord. Now I'm going to select Discord here and I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send channel message is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I need to connect Discord with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And now here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details and first I need to add the webhook URL so that I can connect Discord with Pabbly Connect. So here I need to first set up a webhook in my Discord account, and for this let me take you to Discord. And in Discord I'm going to use this particular channel of Zoom meeting registrant, and in this particular channel I'm going to send my notification message. So this is my server or my channel where I have my team, and in this I'm going to notify my team for every new registrant that I'm going to receive for my Zoom meeting. Now here I need to set up my webhook, so I'm going to click on this drop down button. And here in the server, what I need to do is I need to go to server settings. Now here in server settings, I need to go to integrations. And here I have this option of webhooks. So I need to create a new webhook. So I'm going to click on this create webhook button. And here I have added this webhook. So I'm going to open this. And here first I have to give a name to my webhook. So I'm going to clear this. And I'm going to name it as notification message. Now this is going to be my webhook name. And now I have to select my channel. So in my server, I only have one channel that is of general, so that is already selected. Now I need the webhook URL. So here I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'm going to click on save changes. And here I've added my webhook. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that webhook URL here in this tab. So I'm going to paste that here and now I have to give the message. So here I need to add my notification message that I want to send for every meeting registrant that I'm going to receive through Zoom on my Discord channel. So here I'm going to type my message and that will be new registration alert, and with this message I'm going to add the detail like the name of my registrant, email, phone number and the meeting title. So here now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply use my response of Zoom, and from that response I'm going to get all the detail of my registrant and I'm going to map those details here in this message. So here I'm going to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here, I will give a space, I'm going to open this response of Zoom, and in this I'm going to search for the name of my registrant. So here this is the first name, so I'm going to map this, I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to map the email address, so I need to click here, I will give a space, I'm going to open the response of Zoom, and here this is the email address of my registrant, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the phone number and the meeting title. Now here I have mapped all these details, and as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now every time I'm going to receive a new registrant for my Zoom meeting, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new registrant detail in the real time. And for every new registrant that I'm going to receive through Zoom, then automatically all these details will get replaced with the new detail, and I'm going to send a notification message on Discord for the new registrant. Now I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to simply click on Save and Send Test to Quick button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have automatically sent my notification message on Discord, and I have sent the notification message for the new registrant that I have received for my Zoom meeting. So I'm going to take you to Discord. I'm going to close this. And here this is my Discord channel where I have received this new notification message, that is new registration alert. I have the name of my registrant, that is demo user. I have the email, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number, and I have the meeting title, that is online training and learning. So here we can see that I have successfully received this notification message on my Discord channel, and I have notified my team about the new registrant that I have received for my Zoom meeting. Now here we can see that I have automatically sent this notification message on my Discord channel just because I have set up this automation between Zoom and Discord. Now for every new registrant that I'm going to receive for my Zoom meeting, I'm going to send the notification message for that registrant on my Discord channel. Now with this automation, I can notify my team for every new registrant, and I can prepare my team for the meeting and for the better sales. So here I have successfully created this connection between Zoom and Discord, and I have connected these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Zoom with Discord to automatically notify team on Discord for Zoom meeting registrant. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Zoom, and my trigger event was configure webhook. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Discord, and my action event was send channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.